So I would say, from like a sort of like benefit standpoint, we have unlimited vacation, and we actually go above unlimited vacation. We actually have mandatory vacation, which is kind of fun. So instead of 2 weeks maximum time off, we give people 2 weeks minimum time off. So like you really, really do have to use your vacation time. Uh, we also, I would say, tend to have fairly flexible work hours anyway. We one of the things that we found works really well, with us being a remote company, is that a lot of the times when companies sort of first get into remote work, they, will try and migrate all of their existing processes from physical work to remote work. And I think what we found is that a lot of those times that doesn't always work. That like if you replace all of your in-person work sessions with virtual work sessions, that sometimes that actually doesn't create the right dynamic. And there's actually opportunities to improve that with remote work. So what we've seen a lot in our work is that we find ways to collaborate asynchronously, using video, using chat. We find video really helps with sort of face-to-face connections. But by putting more asynchronicity into our work, it cuts down on sort of synchronous meeting time, which means that it gives us a lot more flexibility. So we certainly have folks on the team that start early and leave early, who start late and work late, and it allows folks to you know structure their workday in a way that kind of fits into the rest of their life, as opposed to the kind of classic model of like working 9 to 5. I think the challenge of that, and the thing that I think is a risk anytime you have more flexibility, is that we don't want that to become you work morning, noon, and night. And so I think the way that we prevent that from just becoming a runaway effect of always working is that we have check-ins on a regular basis, and we really have a dynamic, especially I think within our product team, where designers and product managers and engineers are sort of making their own commitments, as opposed to acting on kind of top-down roadmaps and things like that.